Hello guys, welcome to Oster Entrepreneurs, where I will brief you on the rise demand for chatbots. Consumers are demanding round-the-clock service for assistance in areas ranging from banking and finance to health and wellness. Because of this demand, chatbots are increasing in popularity among businesses and consumers alike. With messaging apps on the rise, chatbots are increasing in popularity among businesses and consumers alike. What are chatbots? Chatbots are artificial intelligence (AI) systems that enable customer engagement via messaging, text, or speech. Many are deployed on chatbot platforms such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, Slack, or text messages. Facebook's expansion with Facebook Messenger has been giving businesses the opportunity to better reach their target audience through different APIs, and chatbots are becoming a necessity in certain industries. The global chatbot market is expected to witness an upsurge in growth rate during the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic, mainly because its deployment by various industries such as banking and insurance, healthcare, and retail for responding to queries of customers and other tasks. However, certain companies operating in the chatbot market such as Google and IBM are coming forward with their strategic steps to help society during the COVID-19 chaotic situation. There are several advantages to using chatbots. 1. They can be proactive or reactive. 2. Their responses are consistent every time. 3. They can respond to customers immediately. 4. They can help you collect important data and also learn from the data collected. 5. They can be used through a variety of different mediums like SMS, live chat, or even social media. Downsides of chatbots: 1. Site's hard to navigate. 2. Can't get answers to simple questions. 3. Basic details about a business hard to find. 4. Takes too long to find services. The chatbot business benefit beyond customer service. 1. Operation cost reduction. Because chatbots can help with the 4 most common frustrations such as getting simple things answered quickly or getting some basic information about a business, chatbots can easily perform basic frontline support tasks. 2. Lead generation automation. Chatbots can help your business acquire customers more easily than live human agents. It's important to set expectations with customers if a chatbot is currently part of your customer service and marketing experience. Types of chatbots. 1. Website chatbots. In many ways, website chatbots are some of the most popular types of chatbots around. 2. Facebook. Facebook's chatbot platform through Messenger is another crucial piece of technology to follow. 3. Twitter. Twitter's access to real-time data, customer insights, traffic patterns, and powerful private messaging platform makes it an ideal candidate for chatbot interactions. Chatbots are still considered an emerging technology, but they are quickly maturing and becoming a staple in many businesses' customer service, sales, and marketing operations. Check the link below for more info on rising chatbots. Please like and subscribe. Cheers.